I long for some revival music.
Still drops like a monster. Mojo Rocksteady from the Sound Dimension, the big old double bass pounding away, and what a horn section, eh? And from one wicked bass line to another. Love it!
Why Rasta, you know, long with the style, yeah? Oh, flashy! Without objection, Capital Radio give a musical injection. Studio One style. Well, here comes another musical shot attack coming from the Studio One stable, so I'm playing some of our musical turntable.
Sure, this is Junior Master.
Jumping, Lord, I feel like shouting now. I feel like moving, I feel like grooving now. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 like sighing, and I feel like dying. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la
Yeah, me star. Cut the one a shot and flash the next selection. Quick start. Sure, them selection up. We made them selection, me see fit sure. Oh, I would have rock bat soup and mangoes, clot and jackass soup.
I feel like jumping, Lord, I feel like shouting now. I feel like moving, I feel like grooving. La 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 la, la 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 la,
Those tunes destroy dance halls. Feel Like Jumping, Marcia Griffiths, The Whip, The Ethiopians, and then The Killer, this one.
Big boat, yeah. Chop, why you still get them rhythm and chop on the feet, cup chop. Oh, I would have rock bat soup and mangoes, clot and jackass soup, eh? Chop.
Be that way, you'll never ever reach the man, you have been charged for life sentence to play this one in rubber dub style.
Downbeat revival style.
We interrupt this record to bring you a special bulletin.
Just can't beat them. I tell you, I could sit here all night and play Studio One. Tell me one studio that makes rhythms like that.